Hey guys, Dino here, 3-star nomadic, and we're in the Philippines, and I'm going to show you around where to get the best food and the best accommodation. Buckle in guys, let's have a look around. And just come in and sat in this little Japanese place. It's got lots of stuff. I got some kimchi rice, a mango and banana shake, so we'll see how that goes, and some water. It's got a beautiful breeze coming in here. And a more beautiful view. That's what I'm talking about here at 3-star nomadic, BORACAY, Philippines. Take a little bit of rundown on the accommodation. This is something I booked ages ago. I don't know, just 3-star nomadic style. But just I don't know, I just liked it because probably just had a little bit of a open sort of view, aircon, TV, all of that sort of thing. So I've just rocked up this little outdoor area here. Hope that didn't lock. 1 minute, my sarong's falling off. Got a fire extinguisher. Flash. G'day there. So I decided to try something a bit different. I'm trying to think what it is. This one just here. I think it's actually eggplant. So it's a bit different for me. It's got some egg on it. And that's I think it was eggplant they said, or something like that. What sort of plant was this? What was this? Eggplant. Yeah. Eggplant. That's eggplant, sir. This is eggplant, like these things. Yeah. Cool. Thank you very much. So it's eggplant. A little bit different to the taste at the moment, but it's good to try something a bit different, eh? Vegetarian. So that's the one there. It's the tortang with salted egg. So I'm assuming tortang means eggplant, just a guess. So I'm finding the prices around BORACAY sort of for a feed, with the drink, you're sort of looking, seem to be around the 15 Australian dollar mark. 500, 600 pesos. So, but that's in the real touristy areas. So as you can see, straight across from where everyone gets the boat, so you don't get much more touristy than this, and that's sort of that's what you're looking for. But no doubt I'll have a bit of a look for some more local places, and this is where I try and see what the prices are like there, just in case you're wondering. So a bit more from the food and beverage vlog. 160, 70, 380 at my favourite little place by the beach. Bistro des Ames. Probably one of the best restaurants I've eaten at here. It's just a little place, Station 3, not far from where I'm staying. And yeah, staff are brilliant, just run really well. Did see a European guy actually, I think he might own it. And he just walked out through his restaurant, said g'day to everyone, and went out there and had a swim. What a life. But yeah, for your tucker guys, Station 3, come into this joint here and you can't go wrong. Not a bad view either. So the best restaurant in town sometimes is chilling out with a bit of water and super meal from 7-Eleven. Best feed in town, mate. On your balcony. Too easy. Yum yum bubble gum. Here we are at 8 Digit. Go get a pizza. Good pizza. Probably about 450, I think, for that peso. And sort out all the things, yeah. And they had a bit of live music earlier, but I walked in and probably within 2 songs they'd finished, but had a bit of timing. But yeah, got a pool. Looks pretty cool, man. And the water's out front. This is, oh, good afternoon, how are you? Thank you very much. Is this, have I got the correct place? Is it INNGO Inn?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Do you have a reservation?
Yeah, Dean Cole.
Dean Cole.
Thank you.
Can I borrow your passport, sir?
Of course you can.
We are open here 24 hours.
Yeah.
So this is our entrance and exit.
Okay,
You
great.
can exit also here.
Also there? Okay.
First time here?
Yeah, first time.
NIDO.
Thank you very much.
So if you want to walk later, there is an entrance there going to the beach, the bucket beach.
Just down here, is it?
Yeah,
Okay.
yes, sir. You will see it later. The bucket
Fantastic. Thank you.
beach. Sure.
Number 6 again. Boomsy's Melbourne Cup number. Great. All right.
For the aircon remote, it's on the bed.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye-bye.
It was a bit harder in some of these places to get any sizable rooms. Looks relatively clean. I can see a mozzie already, so I'll be buying some spray. Also, I was warned about mozzies here from someone when I was in BORACAY, so on that note, I might shut the door. So yeah, it's not too bad. I think it was about 1,200, something like that. And as long as the aircon works all right. Hey, how are you? What do you have there? Oh, food truck. Oh, it is a food truck. Isn't that cool? And that's the food truck, guys. You can get your laksa. Have a look at the menu. Food truck El Nido. So here at Tuk Tuks in El Nido, there's a little bit of an idea of their menu and prices. I've just gone for a pad thai vegetable, $2.85, and I actually rushed out and got a Coke. Dishes. There you go, simple, right on the beach. Party Street El Nido. So that was the Tuk Tuk Thai restaurant, guys, and it was a bit more quiet in here than out here. Update on rooms. So I've moved over to this place here. It's cost me about $85 Australian, so about $50 more than the other joint. Well, it's straight across the road, so, but the other room over there for me was just too small. I don't mind things a bit older as long as they've got a bit of size, so this one's way big enough. This is great. And the other reason why it's that much more is got something to do with some view that they were talking about. So holy cow, look at that. So yeah, right on the beach, guys, and little restaurant that way. And so this is me for a couple of nights. Alright guys, so at Macca's, no straws you can get here, which is good for the environment, but everything seems to be much the same. I just ordered on the little screen and brought my number up, and yeah, same as back in Oz, so you know, Macca's is Macca's, mate. Thank you. So there you go, that's Macca's out the way. It cost us a large Big Mac meal was about $9 Australian, so I think it was 312 peso. So here we go. Bit of a hike getting up here anyway. And there you go. Alright. So it's got my favourite bib and bob. That's SEOUL Light. Beautiful. But this is really nice. 400 peso. Got the nice, that's really hot sauce that you need with it. It's beautiful, yeah. So there you go. SEOUL's night. That is such good kimchi. Chilling out, having some lunch. We've got the coconut coming. The local coconut canoe. Just in a little local joint now. It's sort of a pork thing, but a lot of fat. I thought it was potato, but it's actually the fat of it. So, but it's really tasty. I just don't want to eat all the fatty bits. But I got a Fanta. So, a local joint here in Coron. When I pay, I'll let you know how much it was. But it's tasty. There you go. That's Boom's Eatery in Coron, and that was 160 peso, so pretty cheap, and just not a bad little place to go, I think, just to try a bit of the local tucker. They look like they had a nice chicken dish there. Wasn't a lot of veggies that I could get, but it was maybe later on in the day. It's that sort of place, they just bring stuff out as they go, so worth a look if you want some bit more local tucker. That does look really neat, doesn't it? Oh, they've got a band on too. I think that'll be me tonight. I've just come into this restaurant here, Island Boy Grill, Coron. So it's right in front of my hotel actually. It's pretty cool. Looks like they've got a band set up there. It's a really big, it's a big seafood joint, but you can get whatever you want. I'm pretty sure, haven't checked the menu right out, but and we'll have a look, you know. Prices are, you get your brekkies, couple of $100, seafood, grilled shrimp 400, French fries 180, you know, chicken curries you can get 320, that sort of thing then. But they got lobsters and the whole works, guys. So there's your beers. So a bit more of an idea on tucker around the Coron town. Good on you, buddy. Thank you. So I ended up getting the curry. Big plate of curry, 300. Rice, I don't know. Might have been a bit more for that, 100. 60 for that. And a couple of hundred for that mixed shake. And it's really nice. So, that's a wrap on that one. Thank you. Let me get the back, yeah. Okay, so in the room here, give you a quick look around. Massive bathroom, looks like, you know, old room, but the room's massive, like 40 square meters or something. I'll see if these lock. That wasn't, but we'll work on that one. And so sort of down the wharf area here. So obviously go for a wander. Town's back up that way, and the beautiful islands, which is what everyone comes here for, although the town looked pretty cool too, is all along just there. So look at it, it's massive. Hey, you open up that, have a big bath. There you go, guys. I was just booked into a little room. It's about a bit under 3,000 peso. I don't think there's anything to look at there at all. I don't know what that goes out to. So yeah, it's just a basic room in MAKATI. So it looks all nice and neat. I'll probably show you the front as I go out through the lobby. But that'll do for the night, because I'm only here till, I'm going to go out for a little bit. I'll only probably sleep here for 4 hours, and then I've got to get to the airport. And so from Dino at 3 Star Nomadic, we'll catch you down the track.